In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project on CapCut PC. If you want to back up your video edits before trying a big change, or keep a copy of an older project that you can reuse as a template. Later, this is one of the easiest things you can do inside CapCut on PC. The good news is that the process is very quick, and once you know where the option is, you can repeat it anytime you need. First, go to the main dashboard interface. If you currently have a project open in the editor, move your mouse to the top left corner and click on Menu. From there, hover through the list and choose Back to Homepage. This takes you safely out of the active editing view and returns you to CapCut's main startup screen, where your projects are managed. It's helpful to start here because the duplicate option is found in the Project Manager, not directly on the timeline. Once you're back on the homepage, look for the section labeled Recent Projects. This is where CapCut displays your existing project cards as thumbnail tiles. Find the project you want to copy, then move your mouse over that thumbnail. At the bottom right corner of the project card, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click that icon once to open the project's file management menu. This menu contains several actions related to that specific project, so make sure you're clicking the 3 dots on the correct thumbnail before moving on. Now you're ready to create the duplicate. In the drop-down menu, click the option labeled Duplicate. As soon as you do that, CapCut will create a full copy of the project for you automatically. The duplicated version will appear in your recent projects grid as a separate project file, usually with a number added to the name so you can tell it apart from the original. This is especially useful because it preserves your original edit while giving you a safe version to experiment with. To keep your workspace organized, click the same 3-dot icon on the newly duplicated project card. Then choose Rename and enter a clear, generic title such as Video Edit Backup. A simple name like that makes it easier to identify your backup later, especially if you work with multiple versions of the same edit. And that's it. You've gone from the editor back to the home page, opened the project options, duplicated the file, and renamed the copy so it stays organized. You're all set and your backup project is ready to use.